If you guys are in South, you guys have to check out Kola. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vanita and I hope you guys are doing well. I am currently in Kola Beach and the Kola Lagoon is right at the back. I just took a dip in that and the beach is right there. This place is 1 hour from Margao. From the main road you have to take right, and after coming for about 5 kilometers, and there is a little bit of off-roading involved as well. Make sure you guys go by appropriate vehicle, or people usually walk as well. Unless you are up for a trek or hike, you guys should take the proper vehicle. So once you reach, you have to come down the steps, and that is where the steps get you till there. So once you park your car, you just have to take these steps to Kola Beach. Oh, there are shacks also. Oh, wow. So the beach is right there, and this is the lagoon. And then yeah, once you get down the steps, it's just like for a minute, and then you reach the lagoon. It's about 3 p.m. and we are just gonna stay here for a while. We had food at Starlight before this, so we're just gonna chill here. Some people come here a little late so that they don't have to experience the heat, and it's quite hot nowadays in Goa during daytime. So if you're planning, just come at around 4, and that's the ideal time to be here. I think this is Dwarka Eco Resort, very expensive one, and this is the beach. And this is the Blue Lagoon Kola Resort. These are for 2.6 to 3.8 thousand per night. There was a restaurant there, and from there we actually came here. There is kayaking going on. So the kayaking person told us that he charges about 300 rupees per hour and 150 for half an hour. Hi guys, it's about to be sunset. We're just gonna leave in 5 minutes. but Kola should be on your list of places to visit. If you guys are ever making South Goa plan, make sure that you have whole day to yourself, so that after Kola Beach you guys can go to Palolem or Agonda, which is very next to each other basically, and then you guys can do boat ride, dolphin watching, and go to Butterfly Beach, Honeymoon Beach, which is right next to each other. It's amazing, something you guys should check it out, and just plan a day accordingly. South can be covered in one day easily.